welcome to Space Events, the show that gives you a brief overview of what's going on in aerospace in a particular month. This one is the last one of 2024. Let's get into it. Starting off with, you guessed it, SpaceX's Starlink satellites. Starlink is a high-speed internet satellite constellation built and launched by SpaceX. There are thousands of these in orbit, and there's more going up in December. The boosters for these missions are used boosters, and they'll come back to land on either a drone ship or at land to be flown once again. Next, we're going to Arianespace on their Vega C launch vehicle with the Sentinel-1C mission. Sentinel-1C is an identical satellite to Sentinel-1A and B that launched in 2014 and 2016. For the European Space Agency, this is an all-weather day and night Earth imaging satellite. Next up, we're back to SpaceX with the SiriusXM-9 mission. SiriusXM-9 is the 10th radio satellite for SiriusXM built by Maxar Space Systems. The booster for this mission will come back and land on Just Read the Instructions. Next up for SpaceX is the O3B mPower 7 and 8 mission for SES. Going to a medium Earth orbit, this is the fourth pair of these O3B mPower communication satellites. The next mission is the Astranis Block 2 mission. Launching from Florida into a GEO, Geostationary Earth Orbit, not GTO. These are broadband microsatellites. What these will do is provide broadband connectivity to the Philippines as well as to cruise ships and airplanes. In a month of communication satellite launches, here is another one. For SpaceX, the Thuraya 4 NGS mission. Into a geostationary transfer orbit, GTO, this is a communications satellite for Yasat and Airbus. On to the last confirmed with a date launch for SpaceX is the Bandwagon 2 mission. This is a mission underneath SpaceX's SmallSat rideshare program, dedicated Falcon 9 launches for SmallSats. And the payload at the top of the ticket is the 425 Project Flight 3 for South Korea. This guy is a military reconnaissance spacecraft with a telescope and radar. Now this mission doesn't have a confirmed launch date, but I might as well talk about it in case it does happen. This is New Glenn's first flight. New Glenn is Blue Origin's next generation heavy lift launch vehicle that has a reusable first stage. This will go to a medium Earth orbit and is the first certification flight. This will have a booster landing on their freighter Jacqueline. With that, to wrap up 2024 is our favorite segment, Moon Time. The new moon for the month of December in 2024 is on the 1st, and the full moon is on the 15th. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you next year.